So what's up, ladies? What are we talking about today? What about Mama's delicious pizza that she made for us today? How was that, huh?
That was good.
That was good. Okay, that wasn't good. Earlier you were ranting. You're ranting and raving about it earlier.
Real good.
You said I got a 500%.
That was half. It was half because they had said 1,000.
It's still more than 100. 100% is usually the best.
It was delicious. Bunny, tell us a little bit about this pizza you made us because it was really, really good.
So the pizza was made with sweet potato. Like the crust was made with sweet potato, oat flour, oregano, some salt, just some spices. You bake that for a little while. Once the crust is ready, then you bring it out and then you top it with a homemade pesto. I added roasted peppers, tomatoes, olives, and then you put it back in the oven for a little while longer as it cooks. And it just came out so good.
I'm literally saying, as you're speaking, I'm like, I have a little piece, ladies, that I saved for myself. So I'm going to eat that later.
I thought we both had to.
You know what? You're right. You all have a small piece.
Yeah, we have a little bit of pieces.
All right.
A little bit. I'm okay. You know what? I was actually really intrigued because we love pizza and breads in this house.
Yes.
And cheese.
And cheese. And so we made it completely vegan. And it was just delicious. Like, I'm still feeling so good. It was all plants.
But the thing that wasn't vegan is that me and Kiki and Dad, did you add ranch?
No, I didn't add ranch.
Well, we did it.
A little bit on the side.
We did ranch.
Yeah, so I didn't want to add ranch because I like ranch with like Hawaiian pizza. That I really like. But
it was good either way.
Yeah, it was.
You know what? But that alternative of the sweet potato with the oats, that is such a good. It quenched my desire for bread.
Yeah.
Like, I'm a big bread eater. Like, I love bread, but truth is that health-wise, I don't do too good with it. So this was really a good alternative. Like, I was really surprised by
how good it was.
Yeah, by how good it was and how it did quench that desire and thirst for bread.
Pick your nose and chew it.
Oh,
You want to pick your nose?
No!
You want to pick your nose and show us?
No. Does anybody have this Eat Feel Fresh book?
Yeah, share the book and share the picture of the pizza.
You could pause it right now so you could see the whole entire recipe.
that's a really nice recipe to share.
Well, and I think, one of the things is today's Sunday, so kind of Sunday is like family meal. Mm-hmm. I love being in the kitchen. So Sunday we're not technically homeschooling or doing our School of Joy. So then we're able to, there's more flexibility in making longer meals. But because this week we studied about our doshas and Ayurveda and what are we, we talked about the chakras.
Ascended Masters.
Ascended Masters.
Yeah. All right, everybody. Well, that does it. Short and sweet. Bye.